Look no further than the 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Make your daily drive the best it can be in this sleek, modern Jetta. You'll love its assertive performance, modern style, and connected tech. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. This Jetta offers the perfect blend of fun and practicality. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.